I don't mind traveling a few minutes just to see the beautiful people of Barangay Estrada. Kaya naman, wala bang palakpakan dyan? Wala bang masigabong sigawan dyan? Marami pong salamat. Beauty is not always about having a pretty face. It's all about having a pretty mind, having a pretty heart, and having a pretty soul. Standing before you is a 24 years old stunner, all the way from Guevara, La Paz, Tarlac, a graduate of Tourism Hotel and Restaurant Operations in Subic Colleges Incorporated, cum laude. Totoo po yun. But tonight, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce myself. This is Billy Labitan Yadaw in real life, the first representative of province of Tarlac on It's Showtime's Miss Q&A, and a lucky girl who was able to cross over from ABS-CBN going to GMA, as I was able to represent the province of Tarlac to one of the most prestigious competitions in the national television, which is on Super Serena on Eat Bulaga. And as a proud Tarlacenyo, I am one of the Queen Philippines Alumna 2024. But tonight, since this is a battle of screen names, allow me to carry the image of the young, the fresh, and the gorgeous. Ang babaeng minsan yung minahal bilang si Pinang. Ang babaeng minsan yung minahal dahil sa kanyang tatlong bibe. Yes, ang tunay na kawangis, but di po natin sabay-sabay palakpakan at sigawan si Miss Erich Gonzalez. Erich Gonzalez na nag-iiwan ng isang kasabihang, aanhin ko ang aking kagandahan kung hindi ko matitikman ang inyong kapitan.
Sarap!
Kap, baka lang naman. Joke lamang po, and I hope you guys will enjoy the show. And I'll see you all later. Thank you, Estrada.
Amigo Pascualo.